Okay, this is my nearly complete Hugelkultur raised bed. I did a little bit different than most people. I used these pallets to hold the stuff in. I built it this high so to keep the goats out of my plants. I don't know if that's going to work or not. We'll see. So I used logs, and I put the logs up to about here. From there, you can see I got some branches here, and I got a pile of branches over there. And so I've taken, it's enough shadow. From there up to about here, I put branches and I walked across it and I stomped them down. I broke them down and I cut them and I tried to shove them into the corners, but I didn't really get down there and pack them in. You can see there's gaps everywhere in there. Anyway, then I took just regular stuff like this stuff right here off the ground, leaves, and that's this layer right here that you can see. And that's probably from there up to here. And this top layer is all goat piss and hay, manure mixed in with hay. And I just pulled that up off the ground, and there's another pile up over there. Anyway, the last thing that's got to go on the top, I'll put probably 8 or 12 inches of this dirt. And this is very, very good. I mean, that's some quality dirt right there. And I got a bunch of it. This is where I pulled a lot of my logs from. This stuff has been breaking down for about the last 10 years. And some of this I'm going to use for firewood. But anyway, so that's it. That's the first of many beds for the direction that we're looking. And so I lined the beds north to south. And so south is this way over here. And so this is the first bed. My next bed's gonna start right up here. You know, a few feet back from, I'm gonna have about 4 feet between beds so I can get a wheelbarrow through there. Look out, buddy. And so we'll start like right here in this corner. It'll come across, and then it'll be twice as far going that way. And I'll probably add another bed on the end of that one and continue that way as I clean up the old garden area. And so there'll be 2 there. This one will probably be three of those going that way. And then I'll probably do either 3 or 4 here. And then I'll scoot over and I'll do another 4. And so what, 2, 3, that's 5, 9, 13. I could run one more, you know, even 5 here and 5 there. And you can see it's going to add up quick. But it'll help me clean up the stuff in my yard. All this is good quality stuff. And it'll also help me grow a lot of food. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.